Hi folks, I'm Todd and we're making time now. Today we're gonna make up some hot wings. We're gonna grill them over the fire here. This is up to our campsite here. This is today we're using a 22-inch. Panels will fit a 17. All you got to do is stretch them out if you ever want to upgrade. And this is a charbroil 22-inch enamel, and works real good. So what we're gonna do, take our wings here, pour them all in here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get them all one side. Flip them around, takes a little bit of time, but this way you know if you ever flipped them, which ones you flip, because if it's not the way that all the rest are, you know you didn't flip it. So you kind of just get them in there and straighten them out. Like I said, the first time it takes a little bit of doing, but after that it's works out pretty good. Today's a beautiful day and had to get out here and cook something up. Well, we got them all flipped around here. Got to cook them about 300 degrees. Nice, kind of easy. We are gonna lower it down right around there, and we'll give it a spin. What that does, it gives you a little more even cook. One side might be hotter than the other, and it'll go hot and cold and hot and cold, and it'll go back the other way. So it gives you a little better even cook by doing that. So, like I said, we'll try to hold right around 300 degrees. We got them right on the rack, and come back in probably 5 minutes. They ought to start getting some color. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. They're getting a little color on them. Like I said, I've been holding a 300 degree heat to them. They're starting to brown up nice. But I let them go a little longer, I do believe. So we'll probably give them another 5 and then we'll start flipping probably. All right, it's been about another 5 minutes went by, and we'll check them here, see how they're looking. Oh yeah, they're getting nice color on them. Flip them all over here. There's nothing better than a grilled wing. The wing sauce, and really good. Kind of tedious flipping these all over, but it's worth it. There, we got them all flipped now. Put the cover back on them and hold the heat. It dipped down because I had it open. But we can lower it down a little bit here, get that 300 going again, and probably flip them again here. They're looking good. Might have to move them around a little bit. Even though we have this spinning, these middle ones are just spinning the top effect. It just spins right in the middle there, so they really don't get like a hot and cold. So you usually put your big ones right in there, or some that need to get caught up, you do, and help catch them up, and it will. I use a thermometer, like a lot of the big ones, to poke and see what temp they are and tell when they're done. You know, like these little ones, you want to get out of the middle. But they're looking good. A little more color. Shouldn't take much longer. It's been about an hour now. Almost exactly an hour. We could have cooked these a whole lot faster than we did, but we cooked them slow and they look good. We'll probe a few of them here. The little ones here, you know, they'll be done. They were done a long time ago. I probably could have pulled them, but they crisped them up nicely. It would. Like this big one here. He's 191, 92 degrees. 192, 93. He was still going up. They're 197. So they're all done. Nothing worse than a piece of raw chicken. So I just kind of like to check the biggest ones. 209. So they're all pretty good. So we'll pull them off now, and we'll put them in our bowl. And the hot sauce we use, it's from the Anchor Bar. It's supposedly their recipe. It's a cup of Frank's Red Hot with a teaspoon of garlic powder. That's garlic powder. Teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 2/3 cup of butter. And a tablespoon of vinegar. And you blend that all in, cook that all in, and really good sauce recipe. Get these off here. And once you get them done, make sure you burn off your rack. So if next time you put some buttermilk biscuits on there or something, you don't end up rack catch on fire and you have flames on top of your biscuits. They're all nice and crisp, looking good. And like I said, I have it in a Sweet Baby Ray's bottle, but this is what I made up. This is pretty good. I like this. This is Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. But this here is the Anchor Bars recipe that I found online. We'll just mix that all up. Make sure they get a good coating on them. And we'll try one out here. Get some blue cheese sauce put on them. That'd be awesome. Very good. That sauce, having that vinegar in it, gives that a little bit of a bite. And it's Jakey approved even. So, like I said, we could have cooked these a whole lot faster than we did. But if you cook them real slow like that, you're not going to be burning some up, and just take it nice and easy on them, and works out pretty good. So, but hope this helped you out. And nothing like when you're camping, having wings. Just the smell and the taste of them is awesome. So make sure you make yourself some time. Have a good one.